Man, what's up, gang? So, it's gonna be my first real, YouTube video. I just wanted to show y'all, introduce myself first. I'm Tristan, chilling with Tristo. But I just want to show y'all my whip. That's gonna be a part of the content for the channel. It's a car culture channel. Alright, it's a 1995 Chevy S10. It's got a 373 rear end in it. It's got the hood scoop. It's got a roll pan on the back, I'm gonna show y'all. It's got a dual exhaust master flow. It's cut to like the middle of the door. It's got a ratchet shifter, a 3-speed ratchet shifter in it. It's got a header, but only on one side. It's only the 4.3 liter V6, but I'm gonna end up LS swapping it. Right now, it's only got 130,000 miles though on the motor, so I'm gonna just keep it like that. I'm gonna just keep it how it is for now until I get the right find. Yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all a little slight overview of the car real quick. And me personally, I ain't gonna lie, gang, I'm not a chrome guy, but these wheels are clean. But I'm gonna end up grabbing some black 20s. It's got a 2-inch lowering drop too. I'm gonna end up grabbing some black 20s to throw on it though. And then here's the roll pan, y'all. That's what I was telling you about. Another straight bag, clean with it. And then we got the dual exhaust right there with the mess all the way down. Cut down that. Big hood scoop. Got the aftermarket lights. Them boys bright. The LED. Ratchet shifter, and I'm gonna start this thing up for y'all.